Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is one of the important in scenario type interview question. So this important scenario is mainly this question basically most of the interviews will ask. From my experience, I have attended several interviews. Uh, when for example, if I attend 10 interviews, out of 10 interviews, maximum 6 to 7 interviews I faced the same question. So to find the manager salary, okay? Exactly the question is to find the employees who earn more than their reporting manager salary. Like here the question I have given me this one. The question is your HR team has to know who the employees who make more than their reporting managers. So write a SQL query to find the employees who earn more than their reporting managers. Okay. So for this, the concept we had to use as self-join basically here. So in self-join, we'll try to get the output. So for this, I have created with one sample table. The sample table called as the employees table. And I have created with some sample data. Okay. I'll check with the this one. For example, I will check with the table. So I'm getting with the employee ID, employee name, manager ID, employee salary. So here basically manager ID we know, but manager salary we had to find. So the employee ID, for example, 3. So this 3 Charlie. So Charlie is reporting to 5. So 5 is 5. So manager ID 5 called as the employee ID 5. So Charlie reporting to you. Okay. So this way we had to find the manager salary. So we'll try to write with the query by using the self-join concept. So first I'm getting with the records, select employee ID, employee name, employee salary. If I execute this part, I will get this way, the basic details I get. After then, we had to join with the self-join, right? So for example, here I want to join with the employees table to join. Here I will try to write as the employees. So here for identification purpose, we had to give the alias name. So employees called as E and managers called as the M. So I'll assume this is the manager table and this is the employees table by using join. After then we had to write as join condition on. So join condition is here employee table dot manager ID equals to manager table dot employee ID. Simple thing. So employee ID called as employee table E dot manager ID. So write the manager ID equal to M dot EMP ID. Okay. Now I will try to assign with the alias names E dot employee ID, E dot employee name, E dot employee salary. Now we have to find with the manager name. So manager name, how I know? In manager table, employee name as the manager name. So M dot EMP name as manager name. Okay. Similarly, M dot EMP salary as manager salary. Okay. Now, if I execute this part, I will get all the details. Okay. So employee ID, employee name, employee salary, I got. Manager name, I got. Manager salary also, I got. Okay. So for example, employee ID 1. Employee ID 1 name is Alice, 70,000 salary, just example. So manager, reporting manager is Charlie. So Charlie is also one of the employee. So Charlie's salary is 80K. So the same thing I get. Now, our question is who earn their reporting managers. So that is where condition. We had to filter it. Where E dot EMP salary greater than M dot EMP salary. Okay. So employee salary greater than manager salary. We had to get. So filter it. So if I execute this part, I got 6. Employee ID 6. So employee ID 6 is Vijay. Employee name 99,000. So his manager is Charlie. So Charlie salary is 80K. So Vijay is more than the employee salary, more than the manager salary. Okay. So this way we had to get with the uh, who earn the more than their reporting managers. So for query explanation is mainly the table structure. So table structure is employees table we are considering here. So the query logic is mainly the query joins the employees table with itself. So in this one, employees join to employees. So with itself to compare the salaries for employees and their managers. Next, the where clause ensures that only those employees who earn more than their managers are selected. So this is the where clause we had to get. Okay. So this way we had to find the more than their reporting manager salary. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and share if you like the content.